Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to see the description box on YouTube videos on your YouTube app. So let's start. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now let's play a video. Let's play this one. When the video is being played, you can see that the description box is nowhere to be seen. To see the description box, you have to tap on the title of the video, and the description box will appear. Sometimes the content creators have some important information listed out on the description. So you have to know how to see the description box on your YouTube app. And to close the description box, tap on the cross icon on the right hand side. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.